Hey guys, it's Mr. Greek 2002. Well, a few days ago, there was some very bad news in sort of the Corvette world. Apparently, an owner down in Florida wrecked and possibly even totaled his brand new C8 Corvette 2020. I believe it was like a dark red colored one. I'll throw up some pictures here, guys, for you to see it. So guys, you just saw it. I've got the report here on my phone, so I'll go ahead and I'll pull it up and read some of it to you guys. It's saying here, Sarasota, Florida. The owner purchased the car on Wednesday, March 2nd at a dealership here called Cox Chevrolet in Bradenton, Florida. On the very next day, which was Thursday, March 3rd, on a road, it's called Sarasota 41, near the downtown area, I guess, a drunk driver driving a very old black sedan, I believe it's like a Hyundai, just pulled out in front of the Corvette, and therefore the Corvette actually T-boned that black sedan. And the black sedan was allegedly being driven by a drunk driver. Okay, so I guess he must have ran the stop sign or stopped but didn't see the Corvette coming. And everyone who's seen the car deems it a total loss. They're saying even if the car was not a total loss, it would take months, possibly even a year to fix it. It says here that's a very sad day for Corvette owners and the Corvette community. I agree, I'm very sad, very pissed off that this happened to such amazing, a wonderful car. This truly is highly unacceptable, especially since the fact that the car is only 1 day old. I hope you guys saw the pictures of the car in the accident. It's very heartbreaking and very dissatisfying. I hope to get some updates on this car, whether indeed it was totaled or they decided to not total it and actually fix it. So only time will tell. Anyways guys, that's it from me. This is Mr. Greek 2002 signing out. I'll see you guys in the next upload.